After the 2019 and 2020 winter and spring flooding events, the entire pedestrian bridge over the Umatilla River was washed out. A lot of debris hit the center pier and ended up washing out the entire bridge and waterline over the Umatilla River. We were hired to first and foremost look at what a future flooding event might look like for the Umatilla River. And some of the unique challenges with that were this is such a close vicinity to the Columbia River and McNary Dam upstream of that the influences from the Columbia River greatly influenced the flows of the Umatilla River. The result of that modeling was a slightly longer bridge, a higher bridge with a higher profile, and maybe most importantly, one that spanned the Umatilla River completely and eliminated the need for a center pier, which is what contributed to the washouts in the past events.
It's a mostly multifaceted approach because it was also a waterline bridge. So the waterline and conduits were also underneath that bridge that connected South Hill with fiber optics and with water. So when that went down, that inhibited our growth on that side of the river.
So the bridge itself was fabricated in South Carolina off-site and pieced together on-site when it was shipped over cross-country, and consisted of a steel truss with a weathering steel which serves a couple different purposes. One is for a nice aesthetic feature. Another one is for lowered maintenance.
When you powder coat them and you do all those other things to them, then you end up having a lot of maintenance. And then you're over a river while you're doing that maintenance, so it makes the cost go up tenfold. That was really a JUB thing that Ben pushed pretty hard to make sure that we did it that way so we didn't have long-term maintenance issues.
There's an 18-inch water line underneath it inside of a 30-inch steel casing, and accommodations for conduits, future electrical infrastructure needs to expand in the future.
It's also a first responder route. We only have one route up to South Hill, which is Powerline Road. With that bridge, it is passable for light trucks, ambulance, that kind of stuff.
The thing I'm most proud of is that it replaces a critical infrastructure link for the city of Umatilla. It's a really good example of resilient infrastructure that will serve the community for years to come.
Having that continuity between JUB, the city, the administration, and the local regulatory agencies, we got it done, and that's the main thing. And we've got a good, safe route for kids to get to school. We've got a backup water supply. We've got conduits. All the things that we needed have been taken care of, and thank goodness for the leadership from JUB keeping things lined out, because it was truly a long process.